What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Tribit XFree Tune Bluetooth headphones with 40 hours playtime I picked up using Amazon Prime for $33.99. Out of 5 stars, they get 4.5 out of 5 out of 3,244 customer reviews. These headphones come in 2 different color options, red and black. Though I will say this, the red option is just the black pair with some red trimmings around it. Yeah, today we're going to find out if these headphones are any good by doing a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions of them, as well as a sound impressions. With these headphones, Tribit is advertising a comfortable fit, a foldable design, superior sound, and long-lasting battery life. I will say this, 40 hours is pretty impressive. I have a pair of Sony WH-CH510 that have a 30-hour playtime that cost 60 bucks that I picked up at Walmart. They sound really good. I'm hoping that these sound just as good. They are advertising rich bass and clear sound, so hopefully the bass isn't too overwhelming that it overpowers the rest of the music, which is a problem that I've had with some other headphones on the market, costing around this price point and offering the same amount of functionality. One thing about these headphones I am curious about is because they are a foldable design and over the ear and are dedicated or oriented towards travel, I'm wondering if they will come with a dedicated carrying pouch like other travel-oriented headphones with over-the-ear designs normally do. From what I understand, these do come with an aux cable in the box, so you do have that option. Let's go ahead and get into the box and begin our unboxing and first impressions. A user on YouTube who follows this channel requested that I review these headphones. It's been a couple of weeks since he's made that comment. This video is finally here. I am super excited to get into the Tribit XFree Tune. I love reviewing headphones. Let's go ahead and get into the box. You do get a good look at the headphones on the front of the box. What is interesting to note is the ear cups actually look like they're circular, which is usually indicative of an on-the-ear style, not an over-the-ear style. So we'll see how they fit once we get them on our head. Nonetheless, Tribit is advertising that they are comfortable, which they do look comfortable. It looks like they are of good build quality as well and have some kind of leather headband there. I prefer this black pair, especially if you're going to be traveling. You may want something that's a little bit more conservative and a little bit more subdued. You get the Tribit logo on the front. XFree Tune is the model, obviously. And there seems to be a picture or some kind of imprint of the globe of a couple of countries behind the headphones there. I think you can see that. Yeah, I think these are indicated towards travel, and total charge time, you're looking at 3 hours with these headphones. What's actually really interesting to note about these headphones is they do not advertise any type of quick charge functionality, which other headphones usually state on the packaging, like, hey, charge these for 10 minutes and listen to them for an hour. Don't see that here, so maybe after using them for a couple of days, I'll do some tests and we'll see just how long it takes them to charge up, or just how long you can listen to them after charging them for 10 minutes. Yeah, let's go ahead and do our unboxing and first impressions. So on the back, we get a piece of tape. We've got just, you know, a pretty typical box here. It opens up like so, and then these flaps open up here, and ooh, we get a designated carrying pouch. So like I thought, these are designated towards travel. They are oriented towards a travel lifestyle. Okay, for 33 bucks, this traveling case is really impressive. You get the Tribit logo on the front there. That's about it. It's a really decent sized traveling pouch. All the accessories I am assuming are on the inside of this case. Really confidence inspiring zipper mechanism to get the case open, and they open up from the side, which I was not expecting, which is pretty cool. We get what looks to be some advertising, donate $1 for every child, and you get a little thank you card on the inside saying thank you for purchasing. Here is our cables that come with the headphones. This looks to be a 3.5 to 3.5 cable, which is nice. A little bit unfortunate that this cable seems flimsy and pretty thin. It's a thin gauge cable. This charging cable is not very long. So if you want a longer cable, you're gonna have to go out and buy one. And then last but not least, we get the Tribit XFree tune in the carrying case. One thing I noticed so far about this carrying case is it seems like you have a gusseted pocket here. So you get a pocket underneath for your accessories, and then you kind of get a little, if the camera can pick it up, you kind of get a little pocket right here where you could stick things into. What I like about this carrying case is it's pretty deep. You can fold these up and yeah, carry them around. So it's kind of this hard shell case, which is actually really premium and really nice compared to some other soft sort of drawstring cases I've gotten with some other headphones in the past for relatively the same price, if not more expensive. So right off the bat, I am pretty impressed with these headphones. And then we'll just go ahead and pull our Tribit XFree tune out of their packaging, and they snap right into place. Wow, these cushions are extremely marshmallowy. They're really comfortable. They almost feel a little bit fragile, if that makes any sense. So we'll see just how well this sort of leather material wears. It is very supple though, and very soft. You get that same supple, soft headband, and they seem to be of pretty decent build quality, no creaking or cracking as I'm pulling them apart here. You do get some tactile feedback when adjusting the headband there. These feel really premium. You kind of get this matte finish on them, which I like, which makes them sort of discreet. The only thing that's not really discreet about these headphones is the XFree tune logo by Tribit on the side of the ear cup. But from what I can tell, they do have a power button here, which we'll go ahead and press. And as you can see, they power on and go automatically into pairing mode. And right on the bottom here is a charge port, which is covered up actually. Also, you get the 3.5mm headphone jack. The play and pause up and down buttons are on the sides of the headphones there. So you get plus, minus, and then in the center, you get the play pause button. Let's go ahead and pair these up to our phone and do a little bit of a sound impressions. Okay, so right after turning them on for the first time, Tribit XFree tune does come up in Bluetooth, which is good to see. So all we have to do is just connect them. It's relatively simple. You do get a voice command on the inside letting you know that they are connected. What I really like about these headphones is the build quality seems to be pretty nice so far. You get some metal pieces, you get some screws that are visible. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on my head, adjust the ear cups there. And what I can say so far is the noise isolation is pretty good. I've heard better. I would like it for these to have noise cancellation since they are oriented towards travel. But hey, for 33 bucks, what more can you ask for? I'm gonna go ahead and listen to some music for a few minutes and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so the verdict is in. For $33.99, these are absolutely phenomenal. And I'm not saying they're absolutely phenomenal because for $33.99, you get good audio quality. You get superior sound quality, just like the box advertises, and I am not joking around. I've listened to a few other headphones that were more expensive that did have active noise cancellation, but just could not deliver on audio quality. The bass is totally in check here. It's not overpowering, it's not overwhelming. To give you an idea of how good these sound, I was listening to these on bass reducer initially. I thought they sounded really great. I then changed it over to bass booster to see if I could get a little more bass out of them, and of course I did, which means that these have a pretty wide and varied soundstage, which is impressive for $33 headphones. And then I went over to a flat EQ setting, which is what I prefer, like with wireless earbuds, and they just got fuller and richer, and the bass got a little bit more thumpy, but it still wasn't overpowering. I was listening to these at half volume. They were pumping out about 83 decibels at the half volume mark, which again is impressive. That is more than our Sony CH710N and our 510. Yeah, these are really good. One thing that I will say is listening to these at full volume, they only go up to about 98 decibels compared to 103 decibels with the Sony WH-CH710N. Yeah, a little bit interesting that I'm comparing these to a pair of $130 headphones. Of course, those $130 headphones by Sony did have active noise cancellation. These do not, but I imagine if you simply step up to the Tribit with active noise cancellation, you might just get, you know, a really nice pair of headphones with great audio quality and noise cancellation for a really great price. And like I said, you get that carrying case on the inside. Yeah, these are absolutely fantastic. They're comfortable. Aren't as loud as some other headphones on the market, but you know what? They are so clear and they are so accurate sounding that they do sound loud, or just as loud and just as good as some of those other louder headphones out there. Again, these are extremely impressive. I feel like there has to be some kind of drawback with these. They do bulge out a little bit. Like when I put them on my head, they sit pretty far off my head. They're not very slim. They're pretty bulky, I would say. My whole earlobe, and I have pretty big ears, fits inside these ear cups. Anyways, guys, because I picked these up using Amazon Prime, that does make them a convenience good. There will be a couple of more reviews coming from these headphones because they just are that good. Anyways, guys, because I picked them up using Amazon Prime, that does make them a convenience good. Out of 5 stars, these get 4.5 out of 5 out of 3,244 customer reviews. So a lot of people like them just like I do. Yeah, guys, if you want to see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. I will see you in the next video.